number 3, Orquídeas, number 3, James, and number 11, Manakat. Jump between Maclan and Jamis. First to the ball, Minyo, pasok magaling to Bahian, fly by to Miran, and press, all the dog, press for Bahian. First lot, 3 points, goes to Twin Clothing. Asi, pasok Orquídeas, fly by, Papawin, and press, overshoot, Hamis ay in reverse, wala pa rin sa first to the ball, pass to Buray. Buray to magaling balik Buray to Bahian, stepping down the range, short, rebound by Maclan, wala pa rin. Agawang buko. Last touch on Camino. Orquídeas to Jordan to Asi pa rin, short over, black by Maca, Maclan to Bahian, Dansok. Jolens, but 2.4 Bahian, 5 against nothing. Jordan sa kita, oversteal, pero may tawag ang referee. Foul on number 16, Buray. First personal foul, first team. Orquídeas to Jamis to Jordan sa gitna, penetrate to goal. First of all, intercepted by Orquídeas. Asi sends shipping pass to Jordan to Miran, pero may foul. Back-to-back foul on number 16, Buray, substitution. 3 free throws for number 18, Jordan. First free throw connect. Second throw. Third and last throw. 2 for 3, 2 against 5. 3-point lead, Twin Clothing. Maca to Camino. Sobra keras. Running time, 6 minutes and 20. Jordan pa rin. Jordan, biglang tumira. Jordan, iguales, 5 señor. Maclan, tumakalagin to Bahian, balik kay Maca, typical range, wala. First to the ball, Maclan. Magdobo to Mabugnon, shot clock 14. Bahian tumakalagin, 10 seconds on the shot clock. Maca, pass to Maclan, short jumper, may sumabit. Foul on number 29, Asi Manjosa. First personal foul, first team, 2 free throws for number 5, Magdugo. First free throw connect. Second and last throw, split free throw. Manata to Jordan. Jordan biglang tumira, short, rebound by Jamis, wala pa rin, set back 10, Asi, short jumper, authorized for Asi Manyosa, 7 against 6, 1-point lead, Matangan, makalagin itong Mabugnon, Bahian, astin by Asi to Jordan, wati ba, Jordan pa rin, Jordan, 10 against 6. 5 minutes remaining time, 5 minutes. Bahian sa Makalaging. Pass to Mabugdon. Mabugdon to Kaa. Kaa, fly by. 2 points for Kaa. Video. 10 against 8. 2-point lead. Matangat. 4 minutes and 45. Jordan. Pass to Jamis. Jamis libre. 3 points. Jamis. Maka sa gitna. Askin by Jamis. Jamis to Jordan. Jordan on the back. Time out. Including 4 minutes and 20. 15 against 8. 7-point lead. Matangat. 4-20. Nabilin sa oras. 15 kontra 8. Back to the ball game. Wind-loading basketball. 4 minutes and 20 seconds remaining time for the first handle. 15 against 8. 7-point lead. Team Matangat. Mabugdon to Maka. Maka balik kay Mabugdon. Mabugdon to Kaa. Balik kay Maka. Shot clock 14. Maka to Maglad. Almost a steal, short jumper, 2 points for Maglad, 10 against 15. 4 minutes. Jordan. Pass to Asi, fly by. Asi sa gitna. Pass to Chavez, libre na naman. Back to back 3 for number 3. Chavez, 10 against 18. 3 minutes and 40. Maka to Mabugdon, balik kay Maka. Maka to Maglad, short jumper. In and out. Bahian, first to the ball. 2 points Bahian. 18 against 12. 3 minutes and 25. Jordan. Asi. Manuel sa gitna. Paso Manatat. 14 seconds on the shot clock. Manatat. Nag-ipit pero may foul. Illegal use of hands, number 50, Kaa Minyo. Shot clock 14. First personal foul, Kaa Minyo. Third team foul, 2 free throws for number 11. Manatat. First free throw correct, DC 12. Second and last throw. 2 for 2, 5-8, 8-point lead. Matangat. Mabugdon, agaw doon. Manatat. Astin by Camino. Maglad to Maka. Makalaging. Pasok Mabugdon. 2 points Mabugdon. 3 minutes. 20, 14. Jordan. Jordan pa rin. Pass to Jamis. Shot clock 14 to Orquilias. Orquilias na ipit. Orquilias na naman. Wala pa rin. Manatat. Holding foul on number 3, Mabugdon. First personal foul, Mabugdon. Warning 14 penalty. Shot clock 14. Manatat to Jamis. Jamis sa corner, pass to Orquilias. Orquilias. 2 points for Orquilias. 2 minutes and 30. 14-22. 8-point lead. Maka to Mabugdon. Mabugdon to Kaa. Kaa sa gitna. Reverse. 2 points for Kaa. Minyo. 2 minutes and 15. 22 against 16. Jordan. Pass to Asi. Manosa, 14 seconds on the shot clock. Manosa, Orquilias, Stephen Garabay, in and out, rebound by Kaa. Minyo, 2 minutes. Pass to Maglad. Maglad, Pabandat, 4 points for Maglad. 18 against 22, 4-point lead. Matangan, 1 minute and 45. Jordan to Asi. Manyo sa spin move pass. Orquillas lumabas. James libre na naman. Back to back 3 for number 3. James, 1 minute and 30. 25-18. Kaa. Holding foul on number 18, Jordan. First personal foul, second team, shot clock 19, 1 minute and 27. Bayan Tumaga, libre, wala. 2 points for Magdugo. Walay kabantay, 1 minute and 15. 25 against 20, 5.8. Asi, 14 seconds shot clock. Asi, bigat tumira, no good. Orquillas, first to the ball. To Asi. Naipit, pass to Manatat, 10 seconds on the shot clock. Lasas on Manatat, seconds to play, 57 seconds. Maka, 55. 50. Maka lagi ke Magdad. Short jumper. No good. Rebound by James. 45. James to Jordan. 40. Jordan. Blocking foul on number 5. Magdugo penalty. First personal foul, Magdugo penalty situation, 38 segundos sa bilis oras, 38. First free throw. Correct. 26. Isa lang arasal. Second and last throw. Substitution. 38 seconds remaining time for the first quarter. 35. Bahian, leaving the press, no good, rebound by Kaka. Magdugo, 2 points Magdugo, 25. 20. 15. 10. 5.
Foul.
Foul on number 22. Cope. First personal foul, 13 foul. 3 seconds, 3 seconds to shoot. And the first quarter score 27 against 22. 5-point lead. Team Matangan.
Goal foul to siya bagay.
Sa atong halftime natay half-court shot. Courtesy of Pink Clothing and Libot Suroy TV. Back to the ball game, second quarter, Matangan basketball. against 22, 5-point lead. Team Matangan. Narugo to Jordan. Libre sa press. 3 points, Jordan. 30-22. Buray pa rin, pasabayan by Anto Blackwater. Short jumper, no good, rebound by Jordan. Jordan nagtitipon. Jordan, stop yung alisin, wala Manhattan. To the rescue, 2 points for Manhattan. 32-22, 10-point lead. Murray to Big Daddy. Pass to Bahian. 2 points for Bahian. Jordan. 14 seconds on the shot clock. Jordan pa rin. Steal by Big Boy, but don't let Murray. 2-on-1, Murray penetrate. 2 points for Murray. By 86, 32. Tunog na lang, steal by Murray. Murray spin. No repel by foul. Foul on number 2, Kaluko. First personal foul, first team. 2 free throws for number 16, Murray. First free throw, no good. First personal foul up to the first team. Second and last foul for Murray. Split free throw. 27-32. 5-point lead. Matangan. Lumaktod. Lumaktod nagtitimon. 14 seconds on the shot clock. Lumaktod pa rin. Lumaktod. Pass to Bahian. Bahian to Maka. Nagod na by Jordan. Jordan to manatag sa ilalim. Manatag na ipit. Manatag na pero by foul. Foul on number 8, Big Boy, Bad Tulis, first personal foul. First team foul, 2 free throws for number 11, Manatag. First free throw, in and out. By TCT, 32, 6 minutos, TCT. Second and last throw, split free throw, 33-27, 6-point lead, Matangan. Murray to Big Boy, balik kay Murray, shot clock 14, pass to Maka. Maka, 10 seconds on the shot clock. Maka to Bahian, Bahian and libre, Oro dos tres, for Bahian, 33, almost a steal. Lumaktod, pass to Big Boy to Murray. Murray, stop, look and listen, 3 short. First of all, Blackwater to Maka. Maka, tumira, unod, Glabi. Pass to Maka, Blackwater. Blackwater, 33, 1-point lead. Matangan, 5. 20. Lumaktod. Pass to Asi. Asi fly by. Asi spin. Pass to Manatag. Shot clock 14. Manatag penetrate by Big Boy. Bahian nag-inusala. Joe Lenz. Time out. Matangan 33, 1-point lead. Green clothing. 5 minutes running time. 5 minutos. Back to the ball game, Matangan basketball, 5 minutes remaining time, 34 against 33, 1-point lead, Green clothing. Afi to Orquilias. Orquilias to Jordan. Jordan at Tikimon. 14 seconds on the shot clock. Jordan pa rin. Pass to Orquilias, short jumper. In and out. Glabi, power rebound. 2 points for Glabi. Silias. Murray to Maka. Balik kay Murray. 35-34, 1 point lead, Matangat. Bahian sa corner, Bahian reverse block kay Manatat. Manatat to Asi. Asi, Stephen carry range. Asi in and out. Rebound by Boré. Boré, out of the steal, a steal completed by Orquídez. Maybe the press, pass. 38-34, 4 point lead. Matangat. Balik ang kalabangan sa Matangat. 4 minutes. Shot clock 14. 14 seconds on the shot clock. Maga to Big Boy. Almost a steal. Big Boy. 10 seconds shot clock to Bahian. 2 points for Bahian. 36 against 38. 2 point lead. Matangat. 3 minutes and 45. Asi. Asi pa rin. Asi to Clavi. Short jumper sa gitna. No good. Orquídez by Batulis. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Pass to Asi.
Tas!
Asi. Pass to Clavi. 2 points. Clavi. Serious. 40. 36. 3 minutes and 25.
Di ba pasalan?
Boré to Maga. Maga to Blackwater. Balik kay Boré. Boré to Bahian. Bahian libre. No good. Power down by Blackwater. To boys. Blackwater got tubig. 40-38. 2 point lead. Matangat. 3 minutes remaining time. Asi. Tumanatat. Naipit. Practice. Substitution. In, out. Substitution. Boré to Maga, balik kay Boré. Boré pa rin. 14 seconds on the shot clock. Maga, libre. No good. Rebound by Clavi. Clavi to Orquídez. Orquídez to Jordan. Jordan, no, may pass. 2 points for Jordan. 42-38. Boré to Maga. Naipit pero may foul. Foul on number 8. Clavicilias. Substitution. First personal foul. Clavicilias for second team. 2 minutes and 30. Maga to Blackwater. Pass to Blackwater. Sa ilalim mo. Clavi to Asi. 4 points for Asi. Manyosa. 44-38. 6 point lead. Matangat. 2 minutes and 10. Boré penetrate spin. Naipit. Backflot. Short cover. No good. Clavi na naman. Pass to Jordan. Jordan nag-inisat. Yes. Time out. Queen voting 1 minute and 58. 46 against 38. 8 point lead. Matangat. Back to the ball game, 1 minute and 58 remaining time for the second quarter. 46 against 38, 8 point lead, Matangat. Sa atong halftime na ay pa-half court shot si Boss Libot Sunoy TV o ang Queen Floating. First na magka-shot sa half court na ay jersey. 1 minute and 50. Boré to Blackwater. Iwan-iwatin over pero may sumabit. Foul number 22, Kaluzog. Second personal foul, 30 foul. 2 free throws, 4-0. Blackwater not moving. First free throw, correct, 39, 46. 1:46 tablet sa oras. Second and last throw, 2-4-2, 46. 1 minute and 46. 1:40. Asi Orquillas blocked by Maka. Shot clock 13 seconds. 13 seconds to shoot. Ravi Asi libre. 3 points Manyosa. 1 minute and 25. 49. 1:20. Murray. Pass to Maka, shot clock 14. Maka, babawi, no good. Rebound by Manyosa, 1 minute and 10. Manyosa, nalibre na naman. Manyosa, back to back 3 for Manyosa. Seconds to play. 40 against 52. 12-point lead. Matangat. 50 seconds. Maka, 14 seconds shot clock. Maklan, basket may kasama pang foul. Foul on number 3, Orquillas. First personal foul, Orquillas, warning for team penalty. Bonus free throw for number 5, Magdugo. (43 against 52). 45 seconds. 40. 35. 20. Astime Orquillas. Maka to Blackwater. 2 points for Blackwater. 20. 15. 10. 4 points for I. 5.
Itza. Foul. Foul.
And the second quarter score 47 against 52. 5-point lead. Matangat. Atong halftime na ay pa-half-court shot si Boss Libot Soroy TV o ang Twin Clothing. Inside mo participate. Handa lang sa tunga. Half-court shot. Kung inside mo participate, basket kinsa. Lakay jersey. Half-court shot. O, kinsa itong gusto. Half-court shot. We would like to thank our major sponsor, ang Philcor Petroleum Depot Corporation. Sir, dagang salamat, headed by Mr. Orlin Yana, para sa pag-sponsor niya ito ang basketball tournament, especially to Barangay Captain Jimboy Hamis sa Barangay Matangan o sa tanan na Barangay Kagawad, Francis Galavita, Yolanda Luzano, Juanito Clarabal, Sani Katil, Ralph Apag, and Fred Parang, si Sir Ferdito Fabricante, and also to Madam April Rose W. O, kinsa ka tawag galahan? Kung wala, pag-ingon na lang kita dito sa announcer. Back to the ball game. With Clothing Basketball. Walang may gusto. Boss, willing ko mudawat na boss. Naran din sa announcer. Kaya maulaman sa gitsa. Third quarter, Twin Clothing Basketball. Makatamure. Murray to Bayan, Bayan to Ka to Blackwater. 2 points for Blackwater, 49-52. 3-point lead, Matan. Jordan. Jordan Nagtitimon. 14 seconds on the shot clock. Asi na libre, no good. First to the ball, Orquídea spin and fade. Pass to Chavez. Chavez ay galing. Last touch on Manhattan. Blackwater to Buray. Buray to Bahian. Bahian to Maka. Maka. Pass to Bahian na libre sa tres. No good. Foul rebound by Blackwater. 2 points for Blackwater. Kaya tubig. 51. 52. Isa na lang. Jordan. To Asi. Shot clock 14. Asi sa kita. Pass to Manhattan. Sa ilalim. Manhattan. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Manhattan exit to Chavez. 5 seconds shot clock. Orquídea sa libre. No good pa magkakamilyo. Kaa to Buray. Buray to Blackwater. Blackwater to Bahian. Miscommunication. Orquídea to Jordan. Jordan Nagtitimon. Balled by Buray. Shot clock 14. Jordan biglang tumira. No good. Rebound by Maka. Maka to Buray. Buray obtained by Jordan. 2-2. Jordan penetrates block by Camillo. What a nice block. Shot clock 21. Last touch Blackwater. Shot clock 20. Orquídea pass to Asi. Manyosa. 14 seconds on the shot. Manyosa na libre. 2 points for Manyosa. 54-51. 3-point lead. Manhattan.
Up.
Bahian. Pass to Blackwater. Short jumper sa gitna. Short. Rebound by Orquídea. Orquídea 3-on-1. Asi. Then 3 points. Asi. Manyosa. 57-51. 6-point lead. Manhattan. 5 minutes and 30. Buray to Kaa. Traveling violation. Chavez to Manyosa. Manyosa balik kay Chavez. Chavez to Orquídea. 14 seconds on the shot clock. Orquídea to Manhattan. Stop medication.
Siap dalam tu.
Maka to Buray. Buray to Blackwater. Blackwater. Libre sa tres. Short. Holding foul on number 50. Camillo. Substitution. Second personal foul. Camillo. First team. Substitution. In, out. 5 minutes remaining time. 5 minutes. 57-51. 6-point lead by Manhattan. Jordan to Chavez. Chavez na ipit. Is slipping. Bahian to Maka. Maka to Maclad. Maclad, short jumper. Basket may kasama pang foul. Foul on number 11. Offensive silencer foul. First personal foul, first team. Ball free throw for number 5. 4 minutes and 40. 54, 57. 5-4, 5-7. 3-point lead, Matangan. 4 minutes and 35. Asi. Foul on number 7, Makalaging. Substitution. First personal foul, Makalaging. Second team. In and out. 2 free throws for number 29, Manosa. First free throw shot. Second and last throw. 2 for 2 for Manosa. 59-54. 5-point lead. Matangan.
Uy!
Bahian. Pass to Maglad. Penetrate. Nova to Manlatad. Manlatad to Asi. Asi to Orquillas. Orquillas. Jolen. 61-54. 7-point lead. Maka friend. Pass to Blackwater. Shot clock 14. Reverse no good. Lasat. Ring got it.
Banjay.
Substitution. Orquillas.
Good. Goal.
Manatag sa ilalim ng reverse. Overshoot. Di ba naman naman ito? To Borey. Borey. Pass to Bahian. Bahian to Mabunon. Mabunon. Pass to Maka. Third jumper. Pabaka. Patayan to tigil. Shot na 14.
Ah!
Lasat. Maka. Three minutes and 40. Race 40. 3 and 35. Jordan. 14 seconds on the shot clock. Jordan pa rin. Pass to Asi. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Clavi. Libre. 2 points for Clavi. Silias. 63 against 54. 9-point lead. Matangan. Maglad. Pass to Mabugdong. Shot clock 14. Overshoot. Bahian. First of all. Wala pa rin, Orquillas. Foul rebound, 3 minutes to Jordan. 2 on 3.
Pasa.
Noah Marsan. Foul rebound. Pass to Borey. Borey to Mabulon sa ilalim. Reverse. Wala lagi hapon. Asi. Stepping down. Borey. First of all. Borey na mamalay. Pass to Bahian na libre. All dos. 3 points for Bahian. 57-63. Orquillas Papawe. Ganti. 3 points for Orquillas. 66-57. 2 minutes and 20. 2 and 15. 2 and 10. 14 seconds shot clock. Magdo. Time out, Matangan, 2 minutes and 4 seconds. 66 against 59. 7-point lead. Team Matangan. Back to the ball game, 2 minutes and 4 seconds. Matangan basketball 66 against 59. A 7-point lead by Barangay Matangan. Jordan for Orquillas, balik kay Jordan. Jordan at keeping on. 14 seconds on the shot clock. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Jordan pa rin. 5 seconds on the shot clock. Holding foul on number 16, Borey. Third personal foul. Third team foul.
Anak. Lucha.
Foul on number 3, Mabugnon. Second personal foul, warning for team penalty. 2 free throws for number 11. 67-59. Substitution. 1 minute and 40. And 59. Substitution. One minute and 36. Lumakton balik kay Jordan. 1:30. 1:25. Jordan, to Mabugnon, 120. Mabugnon, pass to Bahian. Bahian, libre. 3 points. Bahian, 62. Against 68. 1 minute and 10. 6-point lead. Lumakton to Clavi. Clavi to Kagugkog. Balik kay Lumakton. Asi, seconds to play. Asi, short. Rebound by Mabugnon. 55. Mabugnon, overshoot. Rebound by Lumakton, 50 seconds. Jordan. 4 points for Jordan. 40 seconds. Bahian, nalibre na naman. Rebound by Mabugnon, 35. Makat na Maclan. 14 seconds shot clock. Substitution. 28 segundos, 28. Substitution. 28 seconds, 28.
Ito sa dito.
25. 20. 18 seconds, 18. 70 against 62. 8-point lead. Matangan. 18 segundos. 15. 2 points, magturo. 10. 7.7 seconds. Five.
Macam mana tu?
1 second, 1. And in the third quarter, score 70 against 64. 6-point lead, Matangan. Back to the ball game. Matangan basketball. Fourth quarter. 70 against 64. 6-point lead. Team Matangan. Labi to Manyosa. Manyosa. Pass to Manatan. Manata to Jordan. 14 seconds on the shot clock.
Asa.
10 seconds shot clock. 5 seconds shot clock. A steal by Maka. Maka naman Jogo. Magjogo. Block by Manata. Last shots are Orquídeas. Shot clock 18 seconds. 18 seconds to shoot. 18 seconds shot clock. 18 seconds to shoot.
Banda siya itong sakit ito ba?
Naka-play 2 points for Kaaminyo. 66-70, 4-point lead. Manyosa. 14 seconds shot clock. 9 seconds on the shot clock. 9 seconds to shoot. A steal by Maga. Maga, 2 points Maga. Lagi 68-70. 2-point lead. Warning for technical, number 29, Manyosa, for excessive complaining. Against 70, 2-point lead, Matangat. Jordan pa rin, biglang tumira, in and out, rebound by Kaka. Holding foul number 11, Manakat. Second personal foul, first team. Maka pa rin, paso Macdad. Shot clock 14, mabog doon sa ilalim. 70. All. Si Tinta, Iguales, senyor. 6 minutes and 30. Asi. Galibre, Manatad. Foul number 3, Mabugnon. Third personal foul, third team foul, first team foul. 2 free throws for number 11, Manatad. First free throw connect. 71 against 70. Second and last throw. 2 for 2 for number 11. 72 against 70. 2-point lead, Matangan. Maka to Bahian. Bahian at Tikimon. Pasok Mabugnon. No good. Rebound by Jordan. Jordan to Orquídeas. No good. Rebound by Manatad. Foul on number 50, Kaaminyo. Third personal foul, Kaaminyo. Second, foul situation. Shot clock 14. Jordan to Clavi. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Clavi to Orquídeas. 5 seconds shot clock. First of all, pass to Macdad. Illegal use of hands on number 3, Orquídeas. Second personal foul, second team, 70 against 72. Duwaray na ba sa Batangan? Bahagian to Makalagi. Almost a steal. to Camino, shot clock 14. Katubayan, fly by, libre. Pass to Magdalena.
Good.
5-25. Manyosa to Jordan. 14-second shot clock. 10-second shot clock. 5-second shot clock. 2 points for Manlatan. 5 minutes. 74 against 70. Balik sa apat. 4 minutes and 55. Camino, pass to Magdad. 2 points Magdogo. 4-45. Jordan nag-iingo sa 2 points Jordan. 4-40. 72 against 76. Upat. 4 minutes and 30. 14-second shot clock. Bahia, no goal. Rebound by Manlatan. 4 minutes and 20. Orquillas. 4 minutes and 15. 14-second shot clock. 10-second shot clock. An offensive foul by number 11. Blocking foul. Number 11. Manlatan. Third personal foul. Manlatan. Third team foul. 4 minutes and 10. 4-6. Astil by Clavi. Clavi to Manyosa. Manyosa to Orquillas. Touchdown. 2 points for Orquillas. 4 minutes. Bahian. Bahian na libre na naman. Taklo ka listen. 3 points. Bahian. 78-75. Foul number 50. Camino.
Nabikil yang kuatin.
Warning for foul out. Camino. 30 foul. So pick up time up.
Nabikil yang tila pagkuan.
Automatic stop. Please time size. 3 minutes 36. 3 minutes and 36. Orquillas to Jordan to Manyosa. 14-second shot clock. Manlatan no goal pero may foul. Foul on 0. That's too big. First personal foul, that's too big. Warning for team penalty. 2 free throws for number 11. Manlatan. First free throw connect, 75-79. 3 minutes 26, please, by the size. Two for Manlatan, 80 against 75, 5-point lead. Matangan, 325. Maka, 320. Katubig. Penetrate. Mati-mati mo. Go. Rebound by Manlatan.
Ya, malasikan.
3 minutes and 5. Last 3 minutes. 10-second shot clock. 4 boys. Orquillas. Time out. Win clothing. 2 minutes and 53. 2:53. 82. 75. Back to the ball game, 2 minutes and 53, 82 against 75, 7 point lead, Batangan. Maka to Bayan to Camino. Camino spin, reverse, Magdogo. Wala pa rin, Blackwater. Which is foul number 18, Jordan. Second personal foul, warning for team penalty, shot clock 14. Maka to Camino sa ilalim, wala pa rin. Manyosa, first ball, pass to Jordan, 2-on-2. Jordan, stop, shoot, Ortiz. Kagagong sa ilalim, block by Blackwater. Pass to Bayan. Bayan to Maka. Maka to Blackwater. To boys Blackwater. 2 minutes and 15. Orquillas to Jordan, balik na Orquillas, short jumper. Shot clock 14, overshoot, Camino, first ball. Blackwater to Maka, Maka to Bayan, last 2 minutes. Magdulot to boys, Timeout! Batangan, 1 minute and 55, 79. 79-82, tuloy na ba? Tuloy. 1 minute and 55. One minute 55. Remaining time for the last and final quarter. 150, 79 against 82, 3-point lead Batangan. 145, 14 seconds shot clock. Manyosa short, rebound by Balian. 140. Maka. Pass to Blackwater, 135. 14 seconds shot clock, 130. Maka. 10 seconds shot clock. Blackwater. 120. 115. Over 15. 17 seconds out of shot clock. 1 minute and 14. 17 seconds shot clock. One and 10. 14 seconds shot clock. 10 seconds shot clock.
Pasap.
5 seconds shot clock. 55.
Wow!
52 seconds. 52 seconds. 52 segundos. 52. 50 seconds. 45. 30. 45. 14 seconds shot clock. 30. 10 seconds shot clock. 5 seconds shot clock.
Pasa!
15. 10. 8 seconds. 8.8 seconds. Time out. Twin cutting. Foul on number 29, Manyosa. Penalty situation. Penalty situation. 8.8, 8.8. Penalty. 79-82, tulo. Isa na bilis. 8 segundos, 8.8 seconds. Penalty situation, penalty. 8.8 seconds, 8.8. First free throw connect, 82. 8.8. Musa time out. Okay, acknowledge.
Foul.
7 seconds, 7. Kaminyo, first casualty of the game. Team penalty. 81-82. Penalty, 7 seconds. Both teams, napaisa-isa ka timeout. Napaisa-isa ka timeout ang both teams. 7 seconds. 82 against 81. Both teams penalty. $83-81. 7 seconds, 29, 7 seconds. Last time out, Sophie Jobing, 7 seconds, 29, 7 seconds. 84-81, 3.3, Matana. Both teams penalty, 7 seconds, both teams penalty. Seven seconds remaining time, 7 seconds. Ang matangan na pa, tayo mga din, pin floating naman.
Man-to-man gina sila.
Warning for delay in the game, number 11. Maka. Iguales 84, señor. Both teams penalty. Both teams wala na po time out dito. .8 seconds remaining time. 3.8. Both teams penalty. Both teams wala na po time out.
It's a diretso. Pag-release, pag-itang foul. 3, 2, 1, go.
We have an overtime.
Cluster mo na ito siya. Ato sa mga bata mo. Ato sa ba? Ato sa ba? Kasi nakatulog na. Kasi nakatulog na. One. Sikan ka to. Sila pula. Isa-isa.
Overtime period na 3 minutes ka extension. Both teams na item sa timeout, pero ang atong penalty continue. Overtime period, 3 minutes. 3 minutes. Overtime period. Both teams na item sa penalty. Penalty. Item sa timeout. Ang penalties continue. Twin floating basketball. Bahian to Maga. Maga balik kay Bahian. Bahian. Pasok lang 4. Short jumper. No good. Manhattan first on the ball. Almost a steal. Manhattan to Jordan. Jordan to Orquillas. Short jumper to corner. No, rebound by Krabi. Wala pa rin. Manhattan. Reverse. Wala pa rin. Magsa first on the ball. Pass to Maga. Shot clock 18 seconds. 18 seconds to shoot. 2 minutes and 25. 14 seconds shot clock. 3 points. Magprovo. 2 minutes and 19. 2-1-15. 2-1-10. 14 seconds shot clock. 2-1-5. Magarin. Last 4 minutes. Bahian. 14 seconds shot clock. Focus. Magdura. 1 minute and 53. 89 against 84. 5-point lead. Twin Goting. 1-45. 14 seconds shot clock. Foul number 7 ang nakalagay. Substitution. Second personal foul nakalagay. Penalty situation. 1 minute and 41. 1 minute and 41. 2 free throws for number 29. Manosa. $84 against 89. 5-point lead. Twin Clothing.
Bata itong kuwan ba, jersey ba? Wala din siya.
89, 84, 5. 1, 41. My mistake, 88, 85. 88, 85. Sorry. 1 minute and 41, 85, 88. 86, 88, 1 minute and 41. 1 and 40. 135. Shot clock 17 seconds. 17 seconds to shoot. 14 seconds shot clock. Shot clock 14. 10 seconds shot clock. 5 seconds shot clock. 1 minute and 15. 1 and 12. 1 minute and 12 seconds. One minute and 10. 14 seconds shot clock. 10 seconds shot clock. Last 1 minute. 5 seconds shot clock. 3 points by Ian. 53 seconds. 50.
Tres. ba? 3.
45.
Oh, foul, foul.
Foul on number 7, Makalaging. 3 free throws for number 29, Manyosa. Warning for foul out, Makalaging. 44. A third personal foul, Makalaging. 44 segundos.
Ano yun? Discarded yun.
86-91. 44 seconds to the time. 44. 87-91. Cuatro segundos. 88-91. Seconds. 35. 14 seconds shot clock. 30. 10 seconds shot clock. 25. 5 seconds shot clock. 20 seconds. Time out. Batal. 20 seconds. 88 against 94. 20 segundos, 20. Back to the ball game, 20 seconds. 94 against 88. 6:20. Shot clock 14. Seconds shot clock. Manyosa. 15 seconds. Seconds leaders. Now, Professional Tournament champion for the year 2025, Twin Clothing.